students. Hope all of you are safe and fine. Today we are continuing with the same chapter, Who is Heavier? In this video, we will learn about different types of balances, weight to measure the objects, and relation between units of weight, kilogram and grams. Now we learn about types of balances used to measure objects with the help of balances and weights. Look at the picture. This is a picture of balance which is used in earlier days. Nowadays it is very little visible to us. Look at the picture. This is also a balance used to weigh the object. Most of you seen it at the grocery shop or at the vegetable sellers. Look at the picture. This is a picture of an digital balance. This is also the image of an digital balance. It is used to weigh the heavier objects. Give a look at this picture. Can you identify which balance is this? Yes, this is a spring balance. It is also used to weigh the objects. Now look at the picture. These are commonly used weights for weighing objects in the common balance. The weights are 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg and 20 kg. For weighing smaller objects, we need smaller weights such as 500 grams, 200 gram, 100 gram, 50 gram, 20 gram, 10 gram and so on. In our previous class, we have already learned that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Now, we use these relations to solve our problems. As we know, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. It can also be written as 500 gram plus 500 gram, or it can be written as 300 gram plus 700 gram, or it can be written as 400 gram plus 600 gram and so on. We have to keep in mind that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Now we have to convert 4 kilogram in gram. So we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So we can write 4 kg is equal to 4 into 1000 gram, because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Thus it is equal to 4000 gram. Hence 4 kg is equal to 4000 grams. Now to convert 8 kilogram in grams, we can write it as 8 kilogram is equal to 8 into 1000 gram, because we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Hence 8 kilogram is equal to 8000 grams. Now convert 5 kilogram and 200 grams in grams. So to convert it into a gram, we can write it as 5 kilogram and 200 grams is equal to 5 into 1000 gram plus 200 gram, because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Thus it is equal to 5200 grams. Hence 5 kilogram and 200 gram is equal to. Hope all of you understood the concept of balances, different types of weights according to the object and relation between kilogram and grams and conversion of kilogram into grams. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.